How would you like to get paid to give away high-value, royalty-free stock videos, images, sound effects, logos, branding materials, and vector graphics? In under 1 minute, you can have 8 software websites live and getting traffic, complete with irresistible list-building gifts, sales pages, download and delivery pages, multiple upsell offers, downsell offers, and an enticing cross-sell process, selling $9.97, $37, and $47 products with handwritten emails you don't have to set up, edit, or customize in any way. If you've ever dreamed of owning a stock video website like Storyblocks, or a royalty-free image site like Deposit Photos or iStock that builds subscriber lists and puts each new subscriber automatically through a sales funnel fit for a king, then you've just hit the jackpot. Today, in less than 1 minute, you can have 8 complete software website funnels written, designed, programmed, and hosted with all buyer links branded to you. It couldn't be easier. And of course, being the boss of a massive stock empire comes with its own perks. You'll get access to all 8 stock resources and an unlimited commercial license to over 7 million royalty-free assets that you can use anytime you want. Your Minute Stock collection includes Minute FX, a collection of over 50,000 searchable music files and more than 3,300 sound effects. Minute Visuals, containing over 6 million searchable stock images and GIFs. Minute Vids, packed with more than 1 million searchable stock videos and memes. Minute Audios, over 3,500 high-quality audio files and an additional 500 background tracks. Minute Logos gives you more than 29,000 editable logos. Minute Quotes comes loaded up with more than 4,000 viral quote images and animated quotes. Minute Branding gives you a complete branding treasure trove, including 50 3D covers, 20 2D covers, 100 3D product layouts, 100 PowerPoint covers, 50 CD and DVD designs, 50 Facebook timeline covers, 20 funnel image designs, and over 150 affiliate banner designs, as well as 50 editable infographic images. And last but not least, you'll get Minute Vectors, a collection of over 190,000 vector images and icons, and more than 500 avatar characters in multiple poses. This is the easiest way to product ownership, with 8 high-quality, done-for-you, start-to-finish sales funnels you can truly be proud to own. We've completely cut out having to research, create, write, design, upload files, or do anything technical. You simply activate one simple setting and you've got 8 complete products with a high converting stock bundle lead magnet for each of your 8 software platforms. Download and delivery pages, multiple upsell offers, downsell offers, and an enticing cross-sell process, selling your inbuilt $9.97, $37, and $47 products to your new subscribers. But that's just the beginning. We know in marketing, the fortune is in the follow-up. Once someone subscribes to receive one of your stock giveaways, they'll get 30 days of handwritten, hosted, and automatically delivered emails that follow up to close sales of your funnel's products. Once that 30 days is over, our team finds perfectly matched products from hot, upcoming launches with proven high converting, evergreen affiliate offers. We review these products, we create bonuses, and send handcrafted email promotions to your subscribers, adding your affiliate links to every single email. So does it work? You betcha. We released a similar bundle late 2021 and saw complete beginners get their first leads and sales, and affiliate marketing pros seeing random commissions just popping up from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank simply by sharing a gift with their subscribers months earlier. We've made hundreds of profitable funnels and managed lists for thousands of people. So while this isn't our first sales funnel, I can confidently say this collection is absolutely the best we've released, letting everyone, no matter the skill level, enter the internet marketing space confidently in under a minute. But what if you want to build lists and get sales in a niche that's not in design, video marketing, or what if you want to do something that's outside of internet marketing entirely? Well, you're in luck. As an added bonus, we're giving you access to our core membership platform, FunnelMates. In fact, that's part of the reason this 8-part bundle is so simple to use, because while this collection of sales funnels is completely new, the foundation it's built on is rock solid and backed by years of development, support, and sales experience. As part of your access, you can explore our gigantic members-only marketplace and take your pick of 2 brand new done-for-you sales funnels at no extra charge each and every month. With over 1,000 to choose from and new funnels being added every day, finding what you need is a piece of cake. But what if you still can't find what you need? That's okay too. When you grab Minute Stock today, we'll also include access to our cloud-based funnel builder software, templates, email templates, and a whole lot more completely free of charge. Now, right out of the box, Minute Stock is built for you. It's set up, it's hosted, and it's filled with your profit links on all of the pages and inside every email. There's no complicated customization or expensive integrations, so you can activate it and let us manage it for you, sending payments directly to your JVZoo, your Warrior Plus account, and ClickBank accounts. Now, if you want more flexibility, our system has that too. You're able to connect your own autoresponder, your webinar software, or SMS messaging tools. You can add tracking scripts, heat mapping, or messenger bots. Track your clicks and conversions in real time. Use your own domain name and so much more. Now, to be honest, you could do most of this on your own. You'd have to pay for hosting, domain names, autoresponder software, designers, developers, copywriters, and membership software. Then just spend some time putting it all together, creating the funnels so that they flow, crafting emails that close the sales across your collection of products. Put your links in the emails and then schedule them up so that they go out at just the right time. That's just the sales, tech, and marketing side of things. The foundation of every good product, of course, is the product itself. So you need to source over 7 million assets and set them up in the members area, making sure your customers get what they've paid for and are happy with the products, helping them with any support issues that they might have. Then once you've done that for that one, you can start working on the other 7 product funnels. So sure, you could, but why would you? When you can save months of frustration and thousands of dollars on something that might or might not even work for you. We can do it all for you in under a minute. So here's what you need to do to get started. Below this video, you'll see a button. Click that and add your payment details and we'll create 2 special Minute Stock accounts. The first login that you'll receive is access to FunnelMates. Your 8 websites will be waiting for you on your funnels page. The second login that you'll get is for your Minute Stock training zone. Now, your funnels are basically ready immediately, but as you might have noticed, we love to over-deliver. So in that first video, we'll show you the button to click to get your funnels live. Then in our bonus training series, we'll show you how to activate your inbuilt traffic systems and how to turn your product collection into a sustainable and growing online business. It's waiting for you on the other side of that button. So click it and let's get started. I look forward to seeing you on the next page.